मास्क आप लोग मारो इनको, मारो लाठी मारो, मारो सबको, मारो इनको, हेलो ये thousands of people here, yeah. No police is here. They are conducting bloody marriage, yeah. चलिए बाहर निकलिए, out, चलो बाहर निकलो, बाहर निकलिए, बाहर निकलिए। अब वो समझ नहीं आता है कानून नाम की कोई चीज है यहाँ पे।
In a country where top politicians have flouted all the social distancing norms, in a country where a high court judge has blamed these killer rallies for being singularly responsible for the second COVID wave in India and observed that the election commission of the country should be booked for murder for allowing such rallies in the first place, comes the shocking footage of the Tripura district magistrate barging into a marriage hall and thrashing the guests left, right and centre and humiliating them publicly for flouting the curfew orders. The Tripura West District Magistrate Dr. Sailesh Kumar Yadav was on a routine roundup of his area in Agartala when he spotted a huge marriage party underway even after the curfew timings, which start from 10 p.m. onwards. Dr. Yadav said he spotted the police jeep right outside one of the marriage halls, and so he was convinced that his own police force was hand in glove with the organizers.
All these people who are assembled here, they have violated the order under section 144 Criminal Procedure Code, and they will be prosecuted under 188 of Indian Penal Code. They will all be arrested right now.
So how many people?
And I will also recommend to the government to suspend OC of the West Agartala Police Station because he has not acted upon repeated complaints of people. And I, as a district magistrate, had to come here. This is very shameful on the part of the police that they have behaved like this.
Sir, how many people arrested?
They will count. कितने लोग हैं इधर? काउंट करके बोलो. ओसी तो कल मैं सस्पेंड करा रहा हूँ. तुम लोग जो काम कर रहे हो ना, अभी काउंट कर बोलो कितने हैं. चलो, वरना तुम भी जाओ उसके साथ. चलो.
नहीं हूँ मैं सर, वो आ रहा है.
तुम जो भी हो, काउंट करके बोलो. आई एम ब्लडी योर डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट. ओके, व्हाट इज योर नेम? तुम भी जाओगे उसके साथ. तुम लोग साले ब्लडी, यू ऑल आर हैंड इन ग्लव्स विद दिस पीपल. Count and tell me. This is my command as a district magistrate. Count.
He has now ordered the suspension of the officer in charge of that police station. In a typical Bollywood style, the DM swooped in on not one but two marriage halls in the area and unleashed his rage on the unsuspecting guests who were clearly flouting the COVID-19 norms by gathering in the hall during the curfew hours. A few of them even tried to argue that they were wearing the masks, but that did not help because they were in violation of section 144 according to the DM. The West Tripura DM has now sealed the marriage halls and banned them for 1 year from operating after they violated the COVID-19 restrictions on Monday. The DM has also directed the police to book the entire crowd, including the bride and the groom, for violating the Epidemic Diseases Act, Disaster Management Act, and also flouting the night curfew orders.
Lockup में लेके जाइए. Permission is for marriage, not for marriage beyond 10 p.m. Okay? You people are educated. पूरे दिन भर प्रचार हो रहा है यहाँ पे. बाहर निकल. जाओ. चलो बाहर निकलो सभी लोग. बाहर निकलो. बैंड बाजा बाहर. पुलिस कहाँ है? Arrest this guy. Arrest him. I'm telling you, arrest this guy. No, he will be arrested. We will also be along with it. You people have violated government order willfully. Arrest him. इसको अरेस्ट करिए. इसको अरेस्ट करो, जेल में डालो. डालो इसको. ए, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? रुको. रुको इधर आओ. इधर आओ. इधर आओ. Come here. What is your name? What is your name? हाँ? What is your name? जाओ, कैमरा लेके आओ. लेके आओ. इसका तो चेहरा दिखना चाहिए घर चला तो. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? बताओ. इसको for obstructing public servant on duty, arrest him. Arrest him. This guy has to be arrested. You will also be arrested along with him. No. What is your name? इसको arrest करिए. नाम बोलो. नाम बोलो. नाम बोलो. नाम बोलिए. मास्क नहीं है. 10 बजे के बाद कर्फ्यू है यहाँ. किसने परमिशन दिया आपको? इन लोग अरेस्ट करिए सभी लोगों को. अभी लेके आइए.
हम लोग पहने हुए हैं.
अरे मास्क के लिए नहीं बोल रहे हम. इनको अरेस्ट करिए. There's a permission on us for the 50 people. Permission is till 10 p.m. Arrest him also. Arrest him also. Arrest this lady also. 11:30. This is all nonsense. Okay? This is all nonsense you are talking about. Arrest this guy. Arrest this guy also. इन सबको अरेस्ट करिए, लेके चलिए आप लोग अपना काम नहीं करें, चलिए। इनको डंडा मारो यार, मारो इसकी, भागो 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 मारो मारो इसको, हिट हिम ब्लडी एसोल, बाहर निकालो इनको।
अच्छी बात नहीं है।
सामने वाले में भी चल रहा है क्या? Hello? You are not violating
The timing.
What time is the night curfew?
Night curfew is 10, but
Then-
if the auspicious time is 11, then what can we
Then you do at your home, inside your room, not in a marriage hall. You please read 144 order carefully. You seem to be an educated man. Don't talk like a bloody villager, uneducated person.
Sir, don't talk to me like this. I'm a surgeon. Okay.
You catch hold of this guy, obstructing public servant on duty.
So what?
Catch hold of him. कौन है? लाइए, hey सरोज,
My sister's married.
इधर हो. That's why you are violating. You should be arrested first of all. No. This guy, he is obstructing district magistrate on duty. Arrest him.
No, sir, we are not officers.
Arrest him. 353. Arrest him.
Sir, we are
I am
not
filing a
officers.
complaint. Arrest him. Arrest him. Arrest this guy. Arrest this guy. Take him to lock up right now. Take him. Take him to lock up right now. Take him to lock up right now.
भैया
Please.
भैया प्लीज
भैया हो या मत बोलिए, जाइए। माता जी आप होंगे, जाइए।
Now, surely after these videos became viral, many have expressed rage at the way the DM humiliated the guests at the marriage halls. But he had his reasons. According to a report, on an average, 100 infected people are being detected every day in this northeastern state, which is called Tripura. But it has no infrastructure to provide hospital care to more than 1,000 patients, according to the reports.
देखिए, घर के अंदर हमने मना नहीं किया है। ऑर्डर में क्लियरली लिखा हुआ है, नो मैरिज हॉल विल ऑपरेट आफ्टर 10 PM। अभी से जस्ट 10 मिनट पहले मैं जीबी हॉस्पिटल के कोविड हॉस्पिटल के अंदर ICU 1, 2 और सारे पेशेंट्स को देख करके आया हूँ। उसके बाद हमने सोचा कि सिर्फ देख लेते हैं शहर में क्या चल रहा है, और देख करके आई एम सरप्राइज्ड। मैं इधर थोड़ी देर पहले गया था, पुलिस गाड़ी यहाँ खड़ी थी, फिर भी ये सब यहाँ चल रहा है, इसका मतलब पुलिस इनके साथ मिली हुई है। अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई हैव टू रिकमेंड सस्पेंशन, immediate suspension of West Agartala Police Station OC, because he is 100% undoubtedly hand in gloves with these people. Okay, and I think the DP should be launched against him. And such kind of incidents, people should take it as an example. Unfortunately, these are educated, rich people. They are behaving like this. So what about the poor people who are not educated? So you can make out what is the level of responsibility in our population. If COVID spreads, these very people will go and blame the government. कि सरकार किसको कर छे ना।
Tripura had announced a night curfew from April 22nd till April 30th in Agartala Municipal Corporation areas in the wake of rising infections of COVID-19. The curfew will be enforced from 10 PM in the night till 5 AM in the morning. So what are your thoughts on this yet another disturbing story that is clearly like a catch-22 situation? On one hand are the rising cases due to such irresponsible behavior by the people who later go ahead and blame the authorities for apathy, and on the other hand are the police excesses. On one hand are the politicians who get away with flouting all the possible rules of COVID-19, and on the other it's the commoners who face the consequences of breaking the law and such public humiliation. Friends, who is right and who is wrong? Or shall we ask, who is more wrong in all of this? Let me know your thoughts and what you feel in the comment section. Of course, we can chat on Instagram. My handle is @reviewron. Thank you for chatting with me. A lot of you are doing that, so please continue doing that. But of course, I would encourage you to subscribe my channel if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't, thank you so much for watching, and please take care of yourself. Jai Hind.